everybody, Michael here. Welcome back to another video, and it looks like I'm going in the Tesla route because we got our first Tesla accessory for review. This one is a much needed one, to be exact. This is the second row pet liner. This is specifically made for the models S, Y, and 3. What you itching down there for? This is actually for you. Come on up, here. Come on, jump up. Camera shy, I guess. But anyway, this product is made for those that have a dog, for those that have animals that shed, and is also a very good product to have also to take with you if you want to drive them around or if there's anything you may need. Now, given that my car is white and my dog's, which is a Jack Russell Terrier, has white fur, it wouldn't necessarily be a problem, but the floor and the carpeting is a big thing. So Tesla released this product, and it's been around for a while, so I'm just going to unbox it. We're going to take it out the packaging, we're going to take a look at what it looks like, and then we'll give a quick installation. We'll put the dog in the car, get an idea of what it's like in the passenger side and the driver's side, and then just to give my thoughts on it. The pet liner. So it comes in this nice carrying case. It has the nice Tesla logo on it. Oh, now you're excited? So it comes in this nice carrying case, which you can take and put in the car. I'm probably going to most likely leave it in the car. And the whole idea is to help protect your Tesla. Inside of it, the liner itself is laid out like this. There is a bunch of material. Oh, now you're fascinated. Has a nice padding on the bottom for the dog. Has a few secure hooks. We're going to install this in the car in real time. I will speed up the footage and we'll show it off, and then the installation removal, so that means uninstalling it and also putting it back in the case, seeing how long it takes, and then just give my thoughts on it. So let's head over to the car. Alright, so this is the first piece that we are going to install. They give you an installation guide here. Essentially, this is going to wrap and protect your car. So here's how we're going to do this. We're going to put, this is a gap here. Again, it helps to protect your Tesla Model Y. As you can see, this is for the rear side as the cutouts are made. So let's get the right one for just a second. Here we go. Just showing you guys what it looks like. Here we go. Now this is designed to protect your door handles. All you got to do is just, just gonna slide these tabs into place. That's it. And then we roll up the window. Second. And there you go. That's it. It's in nice and smooth. That's the first part. Now let's go install it on the other side. And I like that it's actually on there nicely, so if the dog wants to climb on, if the dog wants to go out the window, this helps. But again, you should definitely not let your dog roam freely in the back of your car. You should have them, I would personally recommend having them assigned to the part of the car. Again, with slight adjustments, you can move this over to protect the whole barrier of the car. So let's head on over to the other side and let's install this piece. Alright, so real quickly guys, we have fixed the door issue. So all you have to do, if you want to come take a look over here, you have to make sure that the gaps are not where the mirror is. That way when it pushes up, it doesn't push it out. So you want to be right before the gap. So make sure when you're installing the window pieces, you make sure they're nicely tucked in, but that they're away from the window pan, because when you close the door, which I'm going to show you, it doesn't pop out and it's still intact. So that means you've done it right. And again, every time you open the door, you just want to make your little adjustments, but it's in nicely. Now, as you guys can see, I have already installed the pet liner here, which wraps around very nicely. And essentially, this pet liner consists of just 4 pieces. You take the top part here, you hook it onto the back of the head here, because as you guys know, these are fixed, so you can't really lift and adjust, but it does offer a nice harness hook here. You also have one on the driver's side, so it covers all 4 areas. You also have a nice little Velcro here if you want to install a little harness for the dog, if you want to have a seatbelt harness, which I highly, highly recommend. And also, I highly recommend doing that as well. And in the back here, as you can see, we have a little bit of a handle that goes in. This is to give it extra security. All you have to do is just put it underneath the seat, just like this. You tuck it in, and then you can seal it up. So this is how the pet liner looks for the whole final presentation. So all we're going to do now is we're going to go get the dog, we're going to put her in, and we're going to see her reaction to it. And I'm going to put her in and see her reaction. Let's see. And let's take a seat on the driver's side. We have the AC on, guys, so that way And so far, it seems like she's going pretty well. Yeah, I know you want to be in the front, but the cool thing is it has this nice little Velcro piece here. Now again, you should definitely want your pet to be secure. You want them to be harnessed down. She's just whining because she just wants to be in the front, but mine, now you can sit in the back. I get you the harness, you can relax, you don't have to worry, and all that hair, when it adds up over time, it is going to be a messy thing, but that's where this pet liner comes in, and I'm so glad. That's my huge positive. Now, let's show you guys how we uninstall it, how long it takes, and to stow away, and then I'll give my final thoughts. Just like that, that's how we put it away. How long do you think that took, in your estimate? 2-3 minutes? Just about. Now we'll put this away and I'll give my final thoughts. Alright, so overall, what do I think of the second row pet liner? Well, listen guys, obviously this video was not to be an expert video. This is just a consumer video, so again, if you see anything you don't like, again, you're free to comment your opinions. But I will say that I really like this product because, again, if you are a pet owner that has a dog that sheds, especially in my case with a Jack Russell Terrier, this is an absolutely no-brainer. Not only does it protect your seats, the carpeting on the floor, it helps to protect the animal as well because it has a nice, very safety security net in the front, but it also allows the animal to roam around. It allows the animal to really just be in the back seat. But again, it is highly recommended. Now, and again, in the video, I didn't show the harness, but we do have a car harness that we can attach to her so she'll stay, so she doesn't go flying around if you hit the brakes. So I highly advise all of you, if you're gonna buy this, also have a pet harness that you can attach to the seatbelt buckle, so that way she can move around just a little bit, but it will protect her from going all over the car or whatever dog you have. But anyway, guys, that is the Tesla Pet Liner. A very good product and one that I highly recommend. You could get this from any company. I chose to go with Tesla because of the points, but I will leave some links in the description for some of the best liners you can buy that money can get you. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, you can hit the dislike button to help circulate my videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next episode. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Take care, stay safe, and peace.